Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can put into e to the power of 2x, everything to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of 2x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2e to the power of 2x dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. E to the power of 2x dx we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have arc side of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.